welcome back to my channel. So I thought today I would film a talk through tutorial instead of a voiceover because it's a little bit different for me. And I filmed basically this intense smoky eye. That's a halo eye with a glitter cut crease, and it was inspired by Tina Halada and her recent video. So if you want to see how she got her look, then definitely head over. But if you want to stay tuned and see how I got this version of my look, then just keep on watching. Oh, and also, side note, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe as it helps me out a lot and I love interacting with you guys. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this look, then let's get to it. So I'm gonna start off by taking the Soft Glam palette first. And what I always like to do is go in with like the lightest shade in the palette. So I'm gonna go in with Tempera just to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. If you guys don't mind today that I'm filming like a get ready with me, just kind of one that isn't a voiceover. So I hope you guys don't mind that. But yeah, let me know what's up with you guys. Like, I'm curious to know, so let me know down below in the comments. And in case you're wondering about me, which you're probably not, but anyways, let me just go and tell you. I just got done with my second nursing semester, so that was pretty exciting. And I have about 4 more semesters left to go until I graduate. This semester was totally different because I just started clinical, which is where you kind of work in the hospital 2 days of the week, and the other 4 days of the week you spend in school taking classes. I really enjoyed it too, but it's a lot of hard work, so I'm glad I'm on summer break right now and I don't have to go back to school until September. So that's super nice. Yeah, other than that, I don't know, nothing else is new. I'm just kind of ready to take a little break, relax, and like hang out with friends. Let me know what your summer plans are though. I kind of need something to do, so if you have anything in mind, let me know. So next I'm gonna go in with a transition shade, and I'm thinking of taking Burnt Orange. Yeah, that looks like a pretty good shade, that one here. So I'm just gonna apply it as a transition to my crease. And I'm just applying that kind of in my crease and above it, just to create some definition. I'm thinking today I want to do a halo eye. I saw one that Tina Halada did. If you guys don't follow her, you totally should. She's amazing. But yeah, I saw a halo eye that she did and it just looked absolutely insane. So I think I'm going to try and recreate that today. I'm just gonna apply that in the crease. And I'm just applying it a little lower where we applied that transition color, just to create a nice like hazy effect. The closest shade Tina took was something that looked like Cypress Umber, which is this like dark brown over here. My camera wants to focus, there we go. This one, and I'm just going to apply it to the inner and outer corners of my eyelid to create that halo. Because this is starting to look a little cray-cray. So I'm just kind of blending everything out in windshield wiper motions and circular motions, especially at the top. So there's no harsh lines, but I want to keep the intensity of the color. So if you just kind of go on the outside and blend it, you get the most perfect effect. The inner and outer parts of the halo eye as well. Putting on like a generous amount. It wants to come out, yeah, something like that. Even like that's too much, but that's okay. And I'm just gonna apply it to the center of our halo eye. A little trick I like to do is just look up, and then that kind of marks where your halo eye should end. And this is really good if you have hooded eyes too. It helps a lot. from Tina's tutorial, I know that she left her kind of middle of her halo eye blank, but I don't want to do that just because I don't think it looks that great, and for me I just feel like it's gonna crease. So I'm just gonna go over that, I think, with our highlight shade. So I'm just gonna take another brush, just literally gonna take the same Anastasia brush that came in a separate palette. I'm just gonna take that highlight shade, just gonna pat it over the concealer just so it kind of brightens it up a little bit and it prevents it from creasing. Just kind of gonna blend everything so there's no harsh lines again. And one thing I saw Tina do in her tutorial is just kind of over like the top of the cut crease in the center, she applied a glitter eyeliner, and I'm pretty sure it was this one, just the Urban Decay glitter eyeliner, and this one's in the shade Midnight Cowboy. Just gonna apply that over the top of my cut crease. And you can kind of see that's going to be a little bit of a thick line, so I'm just going to clean that up afterwards it dries. Doing the same to the other side. I'm just going to clean up that glitter. So after that's done, I'm just going to go in with my MAC gel eyeliner. This one's in Black Track. Yep. I'm just gonna create a nice dramatic wing on my top lash line. Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm so sorry, but my camera cut out, but I basically applied a nice dramatic black liner to my top lash line, and then I just applied some dramatic false lashes, which I'll list in the down bar below, and I also tight lined my upper lash line. I'm just basically gonna do the same to the lower lash line, what we did to the top. So I'm just gonna go in with that dark shade, Cypress Umber, and I'm taking it on this flat brush. I'm just gonna apply it to the outer corner and the inner corner as well. I'm just gonna blend everything out with a blending brush so nothing's too oh my god, when your brain freezes, totally great. We're just gonna blend everything out so everything's seamless. That's the word I'm looking for. I'm just gonna go in with the gold glitter liner again and just apply it to the center of the lower lash line. And to finish off the eyes, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of bottom mascara to them. This one is the Voluminous Lash Paradise by Loreal. To finish the look off, I'm just gonna line my lips using the NYX lip liner in Natural, which is my all-time favorite. I'm just gonna go in again with my favorite nude lip paint, which is the Tarteist lip paint in Exposed. Yeah. Totally recommend this one. This one's the perfect nude color and it lasts all day too. Kind of on the outer corners, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this Huda Beauty one, which is a bit darker, just to kind of tone down the pinkness.